Class 8, Chapter 1, Rational Numbers. We'll see the third exercise today. We have to find out insert rational number. I told you earlier what is the meaning of rational number. Any number which can be written in the form of P upon Q, and where Q is not equal to 0, denominator is not equals to 0, then all the numbers will be called as rational number. Or I told you one more thing, that if we divide any fraction, if we solve, it gives a terminating decimal, and if it gives a terminating decimal, then also it will be called as rational number. So here we will use that property. Okay, so let's see method number first. What does it say? Suppose you have to insert rational number between 2 and 3. So you have to insert rational number between 2 and 3. So suppose this is A, this is B. Method number 1 says you have to insert a rational number, one rational number. Then you can try this. A plus B upon 2. What does it say? 2 plus 3 upon 2. It gives you 5 upon 2. So 5 upon 2 will be the rational number between 2 and 3. So you have to write this between 2 and 3. Suppose you have to find out one more, then what you can do? You can apply the same thing here. So A plus B upon 2, that gives 2 plus 5 upon 2 whole upon 2. A is 2, B is 5 upon 2, add them and divide by 2. It gives 4 plus 5 upon 2 whole upon 2. Also we can write 9 upon 4. So 9 upon 4 will be written between 9 upon 4 will be written between 2 and 5 upon 2. So from here it comes to 9 upon 4, 5 upon 2 and 3. Suppose they are asking one more, so you can insert one more. They are asking one more, again you can insert one more. So it will go on to infinity. But this method will going to take so much time. So we have another method called decimal method. What does it say? Suppose the same question we have to insert rational number. We have to insert rational number between 2 and 3. We have to insert rational number between two given numbers. What we are going to do? We are going to change this into decimal. So 2 can be written as 2.0 and 3 can be written as 3.0. So now you have to write how many? Suppose they are asking 1, just 2.0, 2.1 and 3.0. So this is the number, this is a number that is between 2 and between 3. Suppose they are asking 10 numbers, then what we can write? We can write 2.0, 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.4, 2.5, 2.6, 2.7, 2.8, 2.9 and 2.10. No, 2.91. Why we can't write 2.10? Because 2.10 is also to be called as 2.1. Then the last one is 3.0. So now we have 10 numbers. So this is the method known as decimal method. Let's see one more question based on this decimal. We have to insert rational number. We have to insert a rational number between 1 upon 4 and 1 upon 3. So 1 upon 4 can be written as, I told you, it should be converted into decimal. So 1 upon 4 can be written as 0.25. 1 upon 3 can be written as 0.33. So what more are there, but I am not writing. So we just need to write same type of question. Now we need to write down 10 numbers between these two given numbers. So it is the same type of question where we have to write down insert rational number between these two given numbers, 0.25 and 0.3. So we can write this as 0.3. We can write this as 0.250, and this we can write 0.33, or one more 3 we can take, or if you don't, you can take 0. So now you have to insert rational numbers. So 0.251, 0.252, 0.253, 0.254, 0.255, 0.256, 0.257, 0.258, 0.259, 0.2591. So now these are the numbers that exist between these two given numbers. This is greater than 0.251 as well as smaller than 0.3. This one also, it is greater than this, or we can say it is greater than this as well as it is smaller than 0.3. So whenever we have to do this we can apply the decimal method, where we have to convert everything into decimal and then write the required decimal they are asking. Let's see the another method. This method is known as fraction method. Question is this: we have two fractions, 1/4 and 1/3. This method is known as fraction method. So fraction method says, firstly, it should be in the form of like fraction. What are like fraction? When the denominators are same. So if the denominators are not same, to make that same, what we are going to do? 1/4 and 1/3. Take their LCM, and LCM will be 12. It becomes 12 and this becomes 12. What should be multiplied here? It should be multiplied 3 times. It's 3/4. It should be multiplied to 4 times. It gives 4/12. Now, how many numbers they are asking? Suppose they are asking 10 numbers. Then we multiply it by 10, or I suggest you multiply it by 20 or 100. Okay, so multiply this by 100, it becomes 300/1200. Multiply this by 100, becomes 400/1200. Now they are asking only 10 numbers. So first number is 301/1200. Next is 302/1200. Next is 303/1200. Next is 304/1200, and it goes on. You have to write any 10 numbers between 300 and 400, but this 1200 will remain as it is. I hope it is clear. This method is known as fraction method. Let's see another question based on this fraction method. We have question: insert 10 rational number between -3/4 and 5/6. So what I told you, take their LCM. LCM of denominator 4 and 6. LCM of 4 and 6. LCM of 4 and 6. That gives 12. LCM of 4 and 6 is 12. So make it 12 and make this 12. What should be multiplied to make it 12? 3 times. It gives -9. What should be multiplied to make it 12? It should be 2 times. So now what they're asking? They're asking 10 numbers between -10 and -10 and +10. -9 and +10. So you can write any number. I hope you know the number line. So first number will be -8, then -7, -6, -5, -4, -2, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, many are there, and everything upon 12. Because 12 will remain as it is. So what they're asking the 10 numbers. You can take any 10 numbers. So I'll take these 5 and these 5. Here the thing is this: 0/12 can be written as 0. Okay, whatever, sometimes it is getting cancelled, you can cancel it. Sometimes here it is also getting cancelled, here it is getting cancelled. So if you want to get it cancelled, make it. Otherwise, this is the answer. I hope it is clear.